Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover collection. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover VArray type. We can create VArray using type VArray name as VArray of size of data type. Created variable of type VArray name and assigned values using default constructor. And displaying the values using for loop. In the next program, I am going to cover associative array type. We can create associative array using type associative array name as table of key data type, index by index data type. Created variable of type associative array. Assigned values using key value pairs. Assign the first index using a first method. Next index using next method. And displaying the key value pairs of associative array using while loop. Data will be stored in sorted order of index and not in the creation order. In the next program, I am going to cover nested table type set operation. We can create nested table using type nested table name as table of data type. Created variable of type nested table name and assigned values using default constructor. Created procedure to display nested table values using for loop. We can combine values of table using multiset union. Combine distinct values of table using multiset union distinct. Get common values between tables using multiset intersect. Get common values removing duplicates from table using multiset intersect distinct. Values in first table not in second table using multiset except. Distinct values in first table which are not in second table using multiset except distinct. Distinct values from table using set. In the next program, I am going to cover nested table type multiset conditions. We can check whether values in one nested table is present in another nested tables using an operator. We can check whether one nested table is submultiset of another nested table using submultiset of operator. Check whether one nested table is not submultiset of another nested table using not submultiset of operator. Check whether value is member of nested table using member of operator. Check whether nested table is set using is a set operator. Check whether nested table is not set using is not a set operator. Check whether nested table is empty using is empty operator. Check whether nested table is not empty using is not empty operator. Get cardinality of nested table using cardinality function. Get cardinality of set of nested table using cardinality of set function. In the next program, I am going to cover nested table with equality operator. We can check whether variable of nested tables are equal using equality operator. And check whether variable of nested tables are not equal using an equality operator. In the next program, I am going to cover multidimensional collections. We can create multidimensional VArray by creating VArray of type another VArray instead of data type. Assign values by calling the default constructor. And display the values using nested for loop. Similarly, we can create multidimensional associative array and multidimensional nested table. In the next program, I am going to cover collection methods. We can get first index in collection using first method. Get last index in collection using last method. Get number of elements in collection using count method. Get limit of elements in collection using limit method. Get previous index of given index using prior method. Get next index of given index using next method. Check whether element is present at particular index using exists method. Exist method is applicable for only VArray and nested table, and not applicable for associative array. Trim single element from end, using trim method. Trim multiple element from end, using trim method, with parameter as number of elements. Extend collection, using extend method, with first optional parameter as number of elements, second optional parameter as element. If parameters are omitted, single null element will be extended. Extend is applicable for only v-array and nested table, and not applicable for associative array. We can delete single element, using delete method with parameter as index. Delete range of element, using delete method with parameter as range of index. Delete entire collection, using delete method without any parameter. Delete method with parameter is applicable for only associative array and nested table, and not applicable for v-array. Delete without parameter is applicable for all the three collection types. In the next program, I am going to cover bulk collect for all command. We can select data into collection, using select column names, bulk collect into collection name, from table name. We can generate multiple queries, and execute it at same time, using for all command. Optionally, we can put all the values into another collection at once, using returning bulk collect into command. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle PL SQL interview questions, from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.